me mama nyina akwa babie asenhia edi kan me da me subscribers for nyina ase me mama mo me papa mo me nua nketwa ne me nua mpedi for me da mo nyina ase nya me nhira mo se mumu ni mo a ne me ye enyi enti mo enti na channel e kosa ne e ko ti me da mo ase ankasa mani so bebre na de me wo ha na de simple no am se ne me kan a homemade ice cream without the ice cream maker so a simple me ice cream machine yi me use wa check na de ma many anji we hu biom a many baje de wo ye without the machine say we no ya ma me nchiro I was so we say de shemo no now freezing for 12 hours and san wa be share ice cream ase na we ni dia adwuma we je unsa no wo she ni ke o ice cream kakre bi atwa no wo say sama e bela so ho enti say ni dia we ni dia no we are the easiest one so my creative recipes be what dia won fa machine ni yen enti no dia dika me de brew vanilla ice cream simple na answer na meto aso no me de sha me di be she munye freezer proof enti no me de she freezer answer na be chire mu ni atwa se be chire amane se baby amedri dia me wo ha nyina ye heavy cream and I say whipping cream and so full fat the other so and I weigh vanilla extract and no na me dey we no ne boarding kakra but kama ushia unu say kasenti bomade answer o betra and I weigh say condensed milk ya yenyine ni mu Ghana wa me bi kakra so no de fa brodo mu ma wa na just say we be bronyo so enti no me heavy cream and I say whipping cream 750 ml and I will say the full one here 397 so but me baby use 300 so use the 14 I bet me use your mommy pay when you say you can control what you put in there so you know so one pay more that's optional but what they come one a bear come and I weigh food coloring a gel one optional yeah now we period go say be nina a plain kakra or my pale kakra into me really keep two every so na yes amami say yellowish color into anu and your mommy is saying vanilla essence or condensed milk double cream done for vanilla ice cream into the did so different ice cream recipes we will be green meaning na pepper into no the oya ni say bomodi say o cream no chilled men fen share fridge mu yinsi abonti menya room temperature it's wrong inti pomode say chill no afa wo whisk uni hand whisker use whisk bia just say e be check it to e bi na ma tin me whisk ni ato aso and they say my whisking for about 3 minutes one share double in size but whipping be a crack so now say what they me per 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract near upe be up one that's fine so until when it's any me kind we na swear them more a chain normal one now say what for yellow gel on kitu be kiti enti me color no se me dikitu bi ka ho de me di so ho no eso kitu bi so na se me ni na ya kono ama enti won se ni aye hwe eya say ka ne sax wo ho na fe aha na obefa wo condensed milk na wo dia ade on nti condensed milk na men fen sha ase ansa so nti no me whisk na me dia gum na dia gum gradual na just aye fa nti won se na me cream yaye so wa ho and over whisk no to say the over pipe baby so I was say woman here very and yet too light mommy venture but yet too fair so very creamy into no food coloring the control send your walking and now me bone in so you want say I want chili fine na fi would you good dish. And she said, the ice cream here, I come. So, now, need them. Would their wardrobe try no apple late? Now, I saw their catastrophe. And you know, maybe you question me freezer. Now, but more than I say, maybe at least about 5 to 6 hours, depending on the size of formation. Say a lighter, there 3 hours, 2 hours, maybe okay. Maybe the way, maybe the shame one, or say 6 hours, maybe. So, tonight, I shouldn't be question. Na baby may I feel much and come be a family inside to us. Auntie ice cream me and you frame you. She one casan why a homemade kama na the other head dear when you mad a crow a cocoa yao na send any ice cream corner so I won't try that try a really nice. Enti no niema ye na ne se metwa ne na flat way so na wache enye cold but modern say look warm na udi do ice cream very very nice to try see ice cream so it's creamy fair. Sanity name so more. Na fe wa pe wo menti bi so wa ho na de atwia ho kama na wo di ama ogesa wa shu enti hwe se ne o ice cream ya e very creamy. Na nede e was out try so ene kokon e ko ankasa enye easy o anjinga krafa kokon any sweetness in contrast near very good inti bomadi an try ne mami we dey must try one enti the name big down is say sometimes giving up seems easier than holding on but that is not always the case so I told the be obedi is a challenges we are film and a situation we are go through no o mi jemu me kakra me ho beto me ebia na edwuma sel ebia na ya ware mu challenges wo ebia na obebi na go through problems be with you ni nyina na wadanfo ni nyina no eto de bia nyemu akeke se nyemi famunti mi jama ko mi twu with madanfo mi ja ware ama me ho atom edwuma ekura mu problem mi je there sometimes it's not always the case na so yo gidie ni dia ye betumi aka chiro no se se ne me no aka wo video ni bia etwemo sadie san adie bechi nti eto de bia kosoanya enidaso wo nyame na abra ye di Easter na ye ka Yesu ni busori etumi ni wo no se ne ewufe mu bia nyame nti ebeye ye engivi akeke na me ne wache abutoye musemse idie kope cream lepe of vanilla, condensed milk. Today, so one casa. Let's try ice cream. Never will cock or be to Entiano, and I'm the jar, I will drop my so. And to what I'm many way you come say, how about ice cream say, don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave your comment. I love you all. God bless.